Okay, I was able to get that expansion valve off, and let's take a look inside. If I can, let's see. Okay. Alright, from what I see, that side there has got all kinds of trash in it. Can you see it? Not that one down below. That one down below got a lot of trash in it too. That one there is the one I'm thinking is the one that shut us down. All that trash. Well, hold on, I'm sorry. A sweat bee was biting me on my ankle. See that? Filthy in there. Okay, so I was able to get the expansion valve off. Yeah, the O-rings. Missing one O-ring. There's one. Or no, that's not one. Oh, here's one. Nope. There it is. Okay. Alright, got all 4 O-rings. So, yeah. Alright. So now I guess I'll try to go ahead and get this dude out. And this dude right here, evaporator. I believe that's what it's called. And get that dude out of there. See if we can clean it up. Get some of the doggy hair and dust and all the stuff that may be in there out of there. I don't think this truck's ever been smoked in. I don't see any traces of it anywhere, so that's awesome. Anywho, that's great news. I saved $285. Yay!